There are two ways to take off your drone. First, hold the drone with the camera facing away from you. Pull the left and the right sticks down and inwards to start the propellers. The other way is to press and hold the takeoff button on the screen until the drone rises. To land the drone, hover over your landing spot and pull down on the left stick. Whenever possible, try to take off and land on flat, open ground. But if there's grass, sand, rocks, or water, you may need to hand catch or hand launch your drone. To hand launch, hold the drone flat in your palm. Use the takeoff button. If it's windy, you may need to lightly hold the drone until you feel it tug upwards and then release. To hand catch, bring the drone down slowly within reach. You can either place your palm flat underneath it and hold down the left stick, or depending on your drone, you can slip your hand into the blind spot where the sensors won't be triggered, and then hold the drone lightly while pressing down on the left stick. Don't pull the drone downward. It may try to fight that motion and speed up. Always position the drone downwind so gusts don't blow it towards you. If you lose control at any time, hold the drone firmly and flip it upside down. That triggers the emergency shutoff. Here's a few more tips. Before takeoff, make sure that there are no errors and that your drone is connected to satellites. You also want to do all your camera settings now. That includes ND filters. Avoid taking off or landing on a moving boat, as the GPS and the sensors can get confused. Watch out for the wind drift. The drone can get pushed around and hit nearby objects. This is especially important if people are around, so either find a clear area or ensure that spectators are not downwind. Finally, avoid sport mode when taking off, especially indoors. The obstacle sensors are off, making crashes more likely. We'll cover camera settings in the next video.